BSG. So we got my man, my battle, Mr. Scott, and this is his car, 2019 Dodge Charger. We are going to I'm sorry, Challenger. I'm stupid. The 392. So we're gonna put some new meat on here. Oh, let me show you. Oh, good Lord. Look what we got. He say they 13s. I say they bigger. But we're gonna get these on here. So let's get this car jacked up. What's up, BSG? So you guys have seen me kind of do this stuff before. Only thing different here, we going on 2019. This car is, my man takes so immaculate care of this car. This car is just like brand new. So the only thing that's worn on this car is the front brakes. Back brakes been checked and they're good. So we're going to get this off. These rotors are a little bit different than what's on here than what we're going to put on here. The dealership told him $1,000 a fucking rotor. Are you high? This is why people doing their own thing now. Then they want to charge you another $1,000 to do what I'm about to do. If I wasn't videotaping this, it'd be a quick thing to do. But we're going to get these off. If it wasn't so early, I would be using my air, but we're gonna let the neighbors make it on this one. So we're gonna get this off. Jesus Christ. Let me get that your adapter there. Now once we're done with this one, guys, we're gonna get back on the coupe. We got to get that thing going. I know I've been dragging on it, but it's time to get back onto it. So we got this stuff here. Yeah. All right, guys. So y'all see that? This behemoth, this thing is fucking huge, man. I ain't seen them this big. Now, my Brembos is 4 pistons. This is 6. Look at that, 6. Crazy. So we cleaned it up just a little bit. We don't want to get too deep into it because he's gonna wash it and do all this stuff he want to do. But I am going to figure out how to adjust this thing here, put these in there. Then I'm going to use my other tool. My C-clamp. I'm going to push this back. I'm going to push both of these back, both sides. That way it'll push the air back up through the system and we ain't got to worry about bleeding the brakes. All you gotta do is just hit the brakes once we sit back on the ground. Just hit the brakes and it come back up to the proper level that it's supposed to be at, and the brakes will be functioning just as normal. Alright.
Cutting the grass? That's what I'm talking about.
Alright, y'all, so I ain't gonna play with you. This mug was difficult. Mostly because of the weight. I mean, it's lightweight, but it's also awkward. They didn't give you much room to work with as far as your brake holes moving around, but we finally got it, and yeah. I wasn't trying to do this for y'all. I'd have had this thing done already. So, but it is what it is. So now we just slide this thing right back on top of this thing here. Pop this out. Oh shoot! Pop your one out. Right there. All right. Now.
Want me to come back over there and hold it? What you got?
I can hold it. Now, I got 2 of these bolts that gotta go on the back. And we'll be in business. No, I don't need that one. I need that air hose.
Oh, let me go get it. That's something to do. Shit.
Now, I don't know what the torque value is on that. So, we do an earthquake torque value. So, you want to make sure that this thing is super tight because you do not want this thing here coming loose on you while you're riding down the road. Because it's going to make one hell of a noise. I ain't telling you from what I heard. I'm telling you from experience. It ain't the experience you want to have neither. You want to tap these pins in all the way to their flush. On this pin here, it has a piece right here. If you guys can see it, this little piece right here, this piece will close down when you're pushing it in there, then it'll expand once you get in there so that this pin won't vibrate out. Alright? So now, the only thing we gotta do is rinse and repeat on the other side. took a crap, guys. So and didn't get the last. I didn't get the part of him driving off, and you guys can get a real good look at the car. But we got the brakes done in the front. Put on new 13-inch rotors. Gonna come back in probably 2 weeks and do the rear. And yeah, you know, this GoPro thing is not what it is. So we're gonna call it right there, man. That's gonna be the end of this video. Like, comment, subscribe, man. And next video we're gonna be back on this thing here in some type of way. We got to get this thing rolling and rocking and rolling. Get this thing done because I am over it. All right, so we're gonna catch y'all on the next one. So peace.